Hello everyone. As we have already know about the adjectives, I hope you have understood what the adjectives are properly. So let us have a quick review of adjectives and its types. So adjectives are basically the words which describe nouns like things, people, places, emotions, actions, like that things. So there are many types of adjectives we use to describe the nouns, like qualitative adjectives. When we tell about the emotions and our opinion about a thing, about the people or about the places, such kind of words are called qualitative adjectives. They use to describe the quality of a noun. Second type of adjective is quantitative adjective. When we describe a noun with its quantity, how much it is, then it is called quantitative adjective. Next is adjective of number. When we describe a noun a noun with a number, then it is called the adjective of number. Next is demonstrative adjective. When we use a demonstrative word, this, that, those, these, with along with the noun, so this is called demonstrative adjectives. Like, this brother is very passionate for his sister. So here we are pointing out this brother, we are pointing out the brother, the noun brother, along with the demonstrative word which is this. So this is the demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjective. When we use an interrogative word along with a noun, then it is called interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective, it is used to show the ownership of a noun. Next is proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed with the proper nouns. If I say, like, pupil from India loves Indian music. So here we are describing music which is Indian. So India is a proper noun, and when we have formed an adjective with a proper noun, it is called proper adjective. Next is emphasizing adjective. It is used to lay stress on a noun. When we stress, we want to show some emphasizing thing on a particular thing, on a particular noun, then it is that very word is called emphasizing adjective. It is like, you are very person who could do my work. Here we are describing the person, the we want to emphasis on the person using very, so it is an emphasizing adjective. So this was the quick review of the types of adjectives. So now let us know about the compound adjectives. There are many adjectives that are formed using more than words. So more than one two words. So that kind of adjectives are called compound adjectives. So sometimes we describe things, people, places in different ways. Like, everyone likes to be friend of an English speaking person. You can see these are highlighted words, English speaking person. These phrase English speaking is qualifying, is describing the noun person. So it means these two words are adjectives. So but these are the two adjectives, so this is called compound adjectives. The criminal was a middle aged woman. So here again these red words are adjectives. I will do a part time job. So you can see here these three words, which are the combination of two words, are called compound adjectives. Now let us see how these compound adjectives are formed. Compound adjectives are formed with two words joined with a hyphen mark. This is the very important thing to observe, the hyphen mark. These words can be adjective with noun, noun with verb, and many more. Let us see some more example to observe different words in compound adjectives. A well-known author, a 3-hour duty, a clean-shaved man, a 12-minute movie, a 4-foot table, green-eyed monster, well-behaved boy, cold-blooded animal, open-minded family, early riser man. In all these examples, you can see we have used two words as an adjective which are compound adjectives. These are compound because when they are all together only then they are working as an adjective. If we separate them then they will not work as an adjective. So to join them we have used this hyphen mark. The small dash that you can see is the hyphen mark. Now how to form the adjectives with different parts of speech, let us know. Compound adjectives with numbers. In this type of compound adjectives, we use a number along with a noun. See here, the train was at 3-second delay. Here you can see the compound adjective which is made of a number along with the noun. I need 10-minute rest. 10 is the number and minute is the noun. It was a 2-hour project. 2 is the number, R is the noun. Now, none will go on a 4-day trip. They had 3-man team. Don't sit on a 3-legged chair. 3-legged, the number 3 and legged means the noun. Now, there is one thing that you should pay more attention to it. When we are talking about the plural numbers, you can see here in the sentence number 1, 3, 1, 10, 2, 4, 3, 3. So these all are the more than one means the plural number, but you can see the nouns we have used along with them are the singular, because see here in the remember note, do not use plural form of nouns with any number. When we use the compound adjectives, then in with the plural numbers we do not use the plural noun. We do not say 2 hours journey, we always say 2-hour journey, because here these are the compound adjectives, these are not the separated one. So let us see the example of it. Let's take a 5-minute nap. Which one is the right one? Let's take a 5-minute nap. Absolutely right. Let's take a 5-minute nap is the right one, not 5 minutes. This is the wrong example, that is why it is being cut. Next, how compound how the compound adjectives are formed using an adjective along with the past participle form of verbs. Now you will know, you will see that we can form compound adjectives using an adjective or an adverb along with the verbs form. Here one thing is to be noted, we always use either the past participle form of the verbs, that is the third form of the verb, or the present participle of form of the verb, that we will see in the next slide. Let us see the past participle form of the verbs along with the adjective and adverb. In such compound adjectives, we use an adjective or adverb with a verb. Loud sounded noise. In this example, you can see the loud is the adjective, sounded. Sound is the verb here, and we have used the past participle form of the sound, sounded. Beautiful spoken speech. Beautiful is the adverb, spoken is the third form of the verb, speak, speech. Old fashioned hotel. Old is the adjective, fashion is a verb here, and its third form is fashioned. Densely populated area. Amazingly done work. Highly organized team. So you can see here we have used all these adjective or adverb along with the past participle form of words. So these all words are compound adjectives. Now let us see how to form the compound adjectives along with the adjective or adverb and using the present participle form of the verbs. What are the present participle form of the verbs? These are the ing form of the verbs, which is popularly known as. In such compound adjectives, we use an adjective or adverb with the ing form of verb. Good looking appearance, heartbreaking sale of the book, never ending effect of the speech, easy preparing dishes, long running business, clear looking glass, soft speaking pupil. So here you can see we have used adjective and the adverb along with the present participle form of the verbs, which are the ing form of the verbs. Now let us see compound adjectives with other words. See, there are the main no such kind of rules to form the compound adjectives. There are some things that we can add to describe a noun, we can use add as an adjective. So here some more noun plus adjective, we have formed the compound nouns using the noun and the adjective here, like word famous leader, smoke free heat, eco friendly colors, ice cold milkshake, gluten free wheat. Here in this next column we have used noun plus the verb forms, past participle or the present participle. In the previous slide we have learned the adjective and adverb along with the verb forms of verbs. Here we are learning noun plus verbs of the forms of the verb. So number 1 is the magic powered man, wind driven machine, record breaking car, ice melting heat. So here you can see all these compound adjectives are made of one noun and one form of verb. So I hope you have well understood how to form the compound adjectives. Do practice, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.